Hi everyone, let me quickly show you how to assign activities to the child. I assume you have already created a child profile. The child profile would appear here on your dashboard. Then you can assign activities in two ways. One, you can obviously hit this assign new activity button that you see here highlighted in orange, or you can hit view details option here at the top of the card for the child. I'll show both one by one. Let me first go with this orange shining button, assign new activity. It will open up the recommendation screen. This is the screen where Signal is recommending activities personalized for the child. And there are 4 categories of activities, as you can see. If you are curious about what each of these activity categories mean and why we have them, you can actually expand that category, and then you can see there is this little eye icon in blue that you can tap. So this will tell you that what is this specific category of activity. For example, here it is a learning nugget activity, what it is, how it helps the child, and the overall workflow, that starting from assigning the activity to actually child submitting completed activity and your approval, how it works. The same thing is there for all other categories also. You can tap the eye icon and see what the activity category really means and why is it important. Now to assign the activity is pretty simple. You have to just select an activity. You can actually explore the specific details of that particular activity by clicking on this edit icon on the right hand side. So you can click on this edit icon and you can see the details of that activity. In Learning Nuggets, you will have English, a video which will be followed by a quiz that the child needs to answer, which will be followed by a family activity which the child can do, which is a physical activity the child can do with the family or with a bunch of friends. And there are materials required which you can get typically from household or your nearby stationery shop, and there are steps specified as well. And you as a parent or a teacher can edit the reward points you want to award to the child for this particular activity and save it. So you can see that the reward points has changed here for my first activity. I can select this. Similarly, you can select multiple activities from any category. Say I'm selecting one from each category, and then all you have to do is just press this button at the bottom, assign, and you get a confirmation that the activity is assigned. Once it is assigned, our app would ask you to log out in case the child is also using the same device, because the child has to log in with child's unique username and the PIN which you assigned while creating the child profile. I'm not going to do that now because I want to show you where this assigned task would appear in the app. So I will say I will do this later, and it will automatically take you back. I'm going to skip this, take you back to this screen where you can see that what are the active activities with the child as of now on this tab here. Anything that is already submitted by the child and it needs your approval to mark it as completed will appear here in pending approval queue. And anything that you have approved that yes, it is completed will appear here in complete queue. So, and this is the second place from where you can assign the activities. Let me go back to the dashboard and show you how to come to this screen. This is my dashboard. Now instead of hitting this orange button, I would go to the top and hit this view details link. So here in this we are showing, this is a Spidey graph showing how the child is improving all each of these how to learn parameters. But at the top on the left hand side you see this activities tab. You go there and here you can see all the active, pending and completed activities, and from here you hit the view recommendations button to go to the recommendation screen where you see all the recommended activities, and you can follow the same process, right? Thank you.